It was not the justice many were waiting for tonight. One of the three officers in the Breonna Taylor case is facing charges, but no charges directly connected to her death.
Confusion, hurt, and anger over this decision is taking shape, as are demonstrations in Philadelphia, Louisville, and across the country.
To help us dive deeper into the charges is NBC10 legal analyst Enrique L1 Latoison. Enrique, why only first-degree wanton endangerment, which many have never heard of? Why was this the only charge chosen?
Well, I think you want to start out by saying that in this particular case, the district attorney in this particular case did not do the charging here. So the district attorney could have filed the charges directly and just went on and charged all three officers in this case. Instead, what the district attorney did was he turned it over to the grand jury. And the grand jury, after reviewing the evidence, decided to come back and basically say that what took place inside of Miss Breonna Taylor's home was not a crime. They said that this was justified. They said the fact that Mr. Walker shot first, the officers were justified in their response. Instead, what they said was what took place with the bullets when they started flying to other neighbors' apartments, they said that that was reckless, and only reckless for one officer. So two of the officers, no charges whatsoever. One of the officers, no charges for what took place inside of Miss Taylor's property, only saying that bullets flew into other neighbors' apartments.
The family, the public's waited a long time for this decision, Enrique, today. Breonna's death, though, we know was months ago. Why does an investigation like this take this long?
Well, we know in a case where that has very high public significance and it's been in the media and it's been, it's been talked about and everywhere, it's just something that's been going on for a while now. They took their time and they wanted to get all their information and investigation together before they submitted it to the grand jury. I will say that in this particular matter, it was a little surprising that that was the only charge. At the end of the day, we live in a system where the jury gets to decide. And what they chose to do in this particular case is the jury will not be able to decide those other charges as negligent homicide and other charges that could have been brought directly by the district attorney. Instead, they respecting what took place with the grand jury. The grand jury has only said one charge, Class D felony, minimum of 1 year to 5 years in jail.
And we know the family is not pleased with that outcome. Enrique L1 Latoison, thanks so much for your insights. We appreciate it. To this now, a dad.